guys, hi, I am the AfroGirl and welcome to MX Breakz with me, where I give you all the updates in the world of lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and across the world. Now we're starting with the Tabia Ghana Music Awards UK, which was successfully launched at the Labadi Beach Hotel on Friday. Among the audience were popular celebrated artists and entertainment industry people, including Shatta Wale, Episode Perez Music, and Ekuma Mama Zimbi. The award scheme is held annually in the UK and seeks to honor Ghanaian talents both in the diaspora and locally. Here are some of the highlights of the event.
Trying to push the Ghana music to the world, and I think they are doing quite so good. Yeah.
Award scheme, Ghana Music Awards UK. What do you think about it?
I mean, it's been great so far. I think we are progressing time by time, and I've seen Ghana Music Awards, UK as well, you know, rised up like that. It was great last year, and I know it's going to be great this year too. So I'm looking forward to a great show.
This is officially my way of dressing. And to the glory of God, I have been nominated to go to UK and everything. So, and see, funny enough, I applied for a visa to the UK with my bank statement of more than $500,000. You know that how much that is in cities? Billions, right?
See, I don't even know what to say about DJ Azonto's dressing, but he says that's how he's going to be dressing nowadays, so we should just get used to it. But the nominee categories include all genres for high life and reggae to hip life and gospel, and even rewards the most loyal followers in the most dominant fan base of the year group. Good luck to all of those selected, and you know, check out our socials for more videos of how the event went. But moving from that to Nigeria, Thames, who has been dragged so many times by social media users for lacking vibes and stage presence when it comes to her stage performance, is back again in my news for the exact same reason. Her recent performance at the Lollapalooza festival over the weekend caused some fans to call her out, saying that she is terrible at live performances and that she should learn how to dance and rock the stage. Now, we have the video in question, so let's check it out so you can make your decision. Let's see it.
I ain't trying to avoid things, but it's no one, this is madness. Avoid things. I try to restore things, involving, but you don't want to be sorry. I see you.
You know what? I get where the fans are coming from, but then again, I think Thames can just, do her. You wouldn't expect a Beyonce performance at an Adele concert, right? So maybe, just maybe, if you are going to a Thames concert, then you should have it at the back of your mind that it's not going to be as energetic as, if you catch my drift. But moving on, iconic Nollywood legend Pete Edochie has shared his thoughts on his son Yule's marriage. During a new interview with the popular Chudi, he revealed that he was unaware that his son had taken a second wife. When asked about his knowledge on the subject of Yule's failing marriage to May, he stated that he does not involve himself in the lives of any of his 5 sons because they are adults. And we have the video where he spoke about this, so let's see it.
First of all, Yule is 41. Good. I really don't interfere in his affairs. No. Suddenly, we heard he's picked up a second wife, right?
You didn't know before you picked the wife up?
That is one thing you must know about me.
Right.
I don't lie. It's not necessary.
Right.
God created me so well. If I tell you this thing is black, it is black.
Right.
It's like when he wanted to run for governor or something. When I saw his photograph, I thought it was a production they were doing. There was somebody who phoned me and said, you know something, Yule is running for governor. And I said, it must be crazy. How? I never heard it.
Right.
And I have 5 sons. I don't interfere with their lives, If they say that so thing is happening, good. If they don't tell me, I don't bother. If they tell me, beautiful. We just heard it, and that's it,
So you suddenly heard that he had taken a second wife? So you were saying you suddenly heard.
Yeah, we did. You know, there is something we always say in Igbo. Onye kpata nkwu arụrụ si ngwele bịa tụọ onye ava. In other words, if you go and pick up ants-infested faggots, it's a direct invitation to the lizards. Come to roost, right?
So MFA Kosiadeti said something on the morning show when I brought this up during the entertainment segment, and she said, if the father of the man that you are supposedly married to doesn't acknowledge you and doesn't know that his own son is married, then are you really a second wife? And truly, is that really a marriage? If his own family, they don't know that he's married? But guys, that's about it for MX Breakz with me, the AfroGirl. You know what to do, everything lifestyle, entertainment. We at MX24, we've got you covered. So give us a follow on all our social media platforms at MX24GH. I'm out.